When it comes to high-speed data access and application performance, Redis has become the go-to technology for caching. But when you move into the cloud, one big question comes up. Should you go with Redis Cloud or Amazon ElastiCache? Both are managed Redis services, both promise fast performance, and both remove the headache of running your own Redis clusters. But there are some major differences that can impact cost, reliability, and scalability for your business. Redis Cloud, developed by the same team that built Redis, is a fully managed, purpose-built service. It runs on all major cloud providers and gives you the full power of Redis Enterprise under the hood. That means you get advanced features like active-active clustering, automatic scaling, and built-in data persistence. One of the strongest advantages of Redis Cloud is its simplicity. You can deploy clusters across multiple regions in minutes, and it automatically handles scaling, failover, and maintenance without manual tuning. For developers, this means you can focus on building features instead of managing servers. Performance-wise, Redis Cloud is tuned for real-time workloads. It offers predictable low latency, even as data grows or workloads spike. Because it uses a native Redis Enterprise engine, it also supports modules like RediSearch, Redis JSON, and Redis Graph. Now let's look at Amazon ElastiCache for Redis. It is Amazon's own managed Redis service built directly into the AWS ecosystem. That integration is one of its biggest strengths. If your applications already run on AWS, ElastiCache connects seamlessly with your other services like EC2, Lambda, or RDS. The setup is quick, and you can monitor everything through Amazon's management console. ElastiCache provides high availability through replication groups and automatic failover, and you can scale clusters horizontally or vertically based on your needs. In terms of performance, ElastiCache is fast, stable, and dependable, especially when used close to your AWS resources. It delivers low-latency caching that can dramatically speed up web applications, APIs, and databases. However, it is more limited when compared to Redis Cloud's advanced enterprise features. In short, ElastiCache gives you managed caching for AWS. Redis Cloud gives you managed Redis for everything else. Both are excellent for performance caching, but the right one depends on your environment, budget, and how much control you want over scaling and features. For most modern high-growth applications, Redis Cloud delivers the edge in capability and global reach. For AWS-centric setups, ElastiCache remains a dependable and cost-effective choice that keeps performance simple and consistent.